Damn it. Every time I see that motherfucker, that's all I dream about is blowing my goddamn head off. Don't you? I don't even want to hit. Buddy, do you want to hit? I don't want to hit. My goddamn head should be somewhere off in the sky, in the space. Ladies, I'm gonna blow my motherfucking head off. I want you to watch.
Why?
Don't say that.
Shut the fuck up, I said! You eat seafood! If you quit eating seafood, you're not allowed to talk. As long as you eat seafood, don't say nothing else ever again in your life. Your mouth should just swell up and shut and you should just fall down and die after my head's gone.
I won't stuff this spoon down your throat.
It's not going to kill me. It'll just choke me. And I don't want to choke.
Choke to death.
Feed me some rice and I'll choke to death. That's all it takes.
Don't post this. Lord, why is your hair on your knee? Why would you do some stupid shit like that? You say I got food in my hand. Like, who does that? Put it in the garbage. That's not right.
Alright, I'm trying to eat my dinner. While it's still nice and hot.
What does mean? How am I stopping you from eating your dinner?
You're on my way. The way I'm going. I want to watch some TV. Everybody in the world, you look like a girl, and you smoke Marlboros.
Can I have a cream popsicle?
From where?
There.
You didn't learn how to make some O's.
But
There's some sausage.
I need you to videotape yourself learning how to make O's. Is you going to talk during this video, buddy? Because right now, on your video, you ain't said a word yet. Nobody even noticed this is your video. Wave to the people or something, buddy. Hey everybody, I'm Buddy's dad. I'm going to blow my fucking head off. And I'm going to like it. And if it don't work once I heal, I'm going to fucking blow my head off fucking again. I will refuse to have a fucking head as long as I live in a house with somebody that eat roaches. I hate roaches. They stupid motherfuckers. And they crawl all over the place. And they're nasty and disgusting. And she likes to eat them. That's disgusting. That's the most disgusting thing that could ever happen in the history of Earth. And she look at it as food. Now look at this.
That's disgusting.
This is a gourmet meal. No, I'm talking about roaches. You can name it shrimp if you want. It's a roach.
Shrimp. That was the name of its name.
It was named shrimp before people were eating it. Who trips over their own? Ladies, how you trip over your own foot and you ain't even got no shoes on?
Because the vacuum made me trip.
Then why don't you kick the vacuum? But you holding. Nobody put the vacuum in your way. You put the vacuum in your way and then you kicked it without no shoes on. Then you cried. Nobody knows who the giggler is, buddy. Because they all know you was the giggler. That's all they hear from you. That's it. Nothing else. You're giggling.
Let me have a cream popsicle.
No.
Why?
You can have one at my fruit.